welcome everybody to Chisel. Today in this video, I am going to be doing a review / unboxing and showing you guys this Lamborghini Aventador. It's a sick car. Yeah, it's really nice. The back has all these car symbols. I found out it just has like this little knob. I guess where you can put your finger in and make it make a YouTube video, or if you're just really young, it's kind of hard. Yeah, looks already cool. And this is made by Mosito. Mosito is my favorite company that makes cars. I like them more than Matchbox, Hot Wheels, Jada. Because, well, Jada and Mosito also make like big ones too. I like Mosito the best. Yeah, it's a giant Aventador, and if you see the Hot Wheels Gallardo, it looks, not the Gallardo, sorry, the Reventon, the back looks exactly like this. And yeah, everything's like dark gray. Nothing's actually completely black on this, it's just all dark gray. Yeah, it's really nice. Love it. So, yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, share, and comment, and I'll see you all later. And thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, share, and comment. Oh, I think I already said that. Well, please leave a like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all later. Goodbye. Wow, wow, yeah, yeah.